ஸோ இந்தியாவிலே டாப் நம்பர் 1 என்ஐடியான என்ஐடி திருச்சியில் நிற்கிறோம். ஸோ என்ஐடி திருச்சி பற்றிய நிறைய இன்சைட்ஸு இந்த வீடியோவில் ரியல் டைமாக அங்கே படிக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மூலமாக நிறைய விஷயங்கள் கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். வாங்க போகலாம். லெட்ஸ் கெட் இன்டு த வீடியோ. ஸோ வாட்ஸ் த பிளான் ஆஃப்டர் கிராஜுவேஷன்?
So we want to we will be like
Hi, could you please share yourself, like your major, name, and where are you from? Currently, which year are you studying?
my name is Mohammad Soeb and I am from Delhi. I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering.
My name is Anurag and I'm from Haryana and I'm also pursuing computer science.
Okay.
My name is Aman. I am from Delhi and I am also pursuing computer science engineering, fourth year.
I'm Pranav Prakash. I'm also from Delhi and I'm also pursuing computer science.
Okay, so also final year students. NIT is a top number 1 NITs in India, correct? Trichy. So how do you feel about studying NIT Trichy?
Yeah, I feel great. It was a nice place to study and all. This is our final year. This is our last semester.
Oh,
So the faculties are very good. When we choose it, it's choose for the number one, and the placements and faculty and each and every support we get by the college is very great, and it's very good for us.
It's nice to study here.
Okay.
Good teachers.
so can you share about like placement?
Yeah, okay. So I got placed. I cannot reveal where I got placed,
Okay.
but it is a nice package.
Okay.
Yeah, I also got placed. It's an outside company. I sat there, but I am sitting in the campus placements.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your advice for juniors about placement and internship?
So it's depend in which field they want to go. They want to go into management. They want to go in software development, and they can do according to that. If a person is sitting for software, they can do more coding and do more lead code questions and make their DSA very good, and they can get a placement. And if in a management company, they have to be in any of the group in the college, in Festember team or any other team, so that they can get this skill
Okay.
and can crack the job.
Okay, so what's the highest level of package in NIT Trichy? The last,
Approx 40.
okay, 40 LPA.
Yes.
Okay.
No, not this. It's last year. Yeah,
Okay.
and the minimum it goes down.
Okay. So what's the plan after graduation?
So we want to we will be like software development engineers.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it.
Advice for aspiring NIT students, NIT Trichy aspirant, any suggestion, or what should they focus on preparing, maybe class 12?
Like my suggestion is they should focus on JEE because JEE Mains is the only entrance exam which we require to enter in NIT Trichy. So we should focus on 11th and 12th because class 11th is the main. We can say 11th class is the basic of JEE Main.
Okay.
So we can crack JEE and can enter in NIT Trichy.
Okay. What's the best thing you like about NIT Trichy?
Best thing is about I like campus. It's a very large campus and it's a beautiful also.
Okay.
So and another thing is obviously placement. Placement is very good. And in computer science engineering, I am pursuing computer science engineering, so it's about 100%.
Oh, like what's your favorite place or part in NIT campus? And
NIT campus. Okay, so my favorite building is there is a new building named Nogos.
Okay.
So it's a new building and infrastructure is very good.
Okay.
So I like that building.
Yeah. Now, what's the one thing you want to change NIT Trichy?
It goes different with different opinions. There are things are very good. Little more right now it's not focused on 6-month internships in final semester.
Okay.
So if a student get any internship from outside college, so it can work before the placement for 6 months. That could be a thing. They are changing it slowly. This semester the number of 6-month internship was very high, and maybe in the future it will grow on. But that's the thing. Otherwise, a college shouldn't be perfect. It has some fault, so that you can learn accordingly and grow accordingly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's the one thing you wish know before joining NIT?
I can't tell on it's my inner feeling. That will be little awkward, but I won't tell it. But there are some things you should talk to your seniors before coming. 2 years back, if I'm in first year, so I should talk to my second years and third years and get to know more insider. It suits my culture because when a North Indian, a Gujju, Bengali people come here, they don't know about the culture, so they get little here and there. So you should know before coming what kind of culture college is expecting, and are you fitted in that? That's the thing I want.
Yeah. So, can you share about campus, facilities, infrastructure, and mess, food, hostel, something?
Yeah. So we have great hostels. We have 7 to 8 messes for different year. For North Indian, we have 2 messes. For South Indian, 2, 1 Kerala mess. And there are a lot of messes. For juniors, there are 1 mess so that senior can't drag them. That's for that. The food is okay, fine. It's same as the hostel food. It's not as like your mummy is cooking.
Okay.
That's a different, but except that, it's everything is fine. Hostel is fine. Fees is fine accordingly. Everything is fine.
Okay. So how do you balance your academic responsibility and like internship and etc. like sports, curricular, extracurricular?
First year is very easy. So it helps you to get into the process. And after second years, you yourself get into it and learn by yourself. It's not something someone should tell you to study or focus more hour on study. Whatever your heart is feeling, whatever your body is telling you how much hour you should study, focus on that and make a growth, make a curve according to yourself. That's my point of view. I don't tell my friends and they don't tell me. They study, like somebody study 8 hours, somebody study 2 hours.
Yes.
But maybe 2 hours person who is studying get more grade. So it's different for everyone. Everyone should manage according to themselves.
Okay. Your advice for student who want to study at NIT?
It's a great college. You will, if you are seeing for placement purposes, if you want to save your future after 4 years, you should come here. If you are if you want some like extracurricular, more fun, more lenience in the hostel area or academic area, then you can choose different colleges. But then you also have to you won't get a proper placement, that good of placement. So it's up to you. If you can take care of the placement by yourself, you think you are in top 10, you should go to different colleges where you can have more fun. This college is more about 60 to 70% academic and 30 to 40% extracurricular.
Yeah, so JEE Mains is the biggest role, playing the biggest role in the entrance, correct? What should the students focus on before joining NIT?
They shouldn't focus when I joined, when I filled my JOSA form, I don't know about what is engineering. Everyone get to know about from their big brother, big sister, how is it. And every college have their different academic structure. Some subjects are in first year, some in second year, in different colleges different. So you should be focused on, like you have cracked an exam, it's not easy, but you shouldn't get linear, like now I have done everything. You have to start here from zero again, build yourself, make your good grade, sit in the placement, get the placement. If you are studying, thinking for higher studies, you give extra exams, GATE, GMAT, GRE, and focus on that. If you are thinking of placement, sit in the placement and get more placement. That's the focus. You shouldn't get more lenient. Now I have cracked it, so now everything is with me. No, you have to start again from zero. Take a 1 week gap, then start again. That's my point of view.
Okay, yeah, thanks for your time. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. தென் இன்னொரு வீடியோ, இந்த வீடியோ நிறைய பேர் கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் கேட்டுருந்தீங்க கேட்டுன்ட்டு. ஸோ அவங்களுக்காக வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஒரு லைக் கொடுங்க.